Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to look at a 2023 AV32 by Aviara. This boat is the IO version, so we're going to start here on the transom and point out some of the neat features as we go through. This does have the mechanical submersible swim platform. Pretty neat little feature. You have the controls for that platform right here, as well as the lights as you wanted to enter the boat through the starboard side walkthrough. Easy to hit the lights, also with the submersible swim platform. Over here on the port side, you do have your battery switches underneath this rear lounge seat. Makes it easy again. Hit the batteries as you're stepping on the boat. Very cleverly placed. The Aviara does have these cool little bench style seats, so if you're wrapped up and you're with some friends and you wanted to see on the same level if the boat's a little taller, you have these great little stools. This creates stadium style seating as these seats will lift up. So if you have people in the water, you can set up a really nice setup here and have multi-row seating so everybody's enjoying the action behind the boat. Neat idea by Aviara. As we continue in, got a little step down here. We have a little prep station with a sink. You have a fridge here. And then you have a nice little cooler drawer right here. This is insulated. You can put some food or drink in here. Everything drains overboard. Pretty clever as well. You have nice style seating here, big L-shaped seating. This is the Cool Touch vinyl. It's very comfortable. It's a warm day today, and it's not very hot at all. Let's continue to move through. We'll stop at the helm station. This does have the Ilmor motors with the joystick. Easy to operate. You have your Ilmor binnacle here, and then you have multifunction display screens. You got your SIMRAD. You got your engine data here, as well as your boat data here, your stereo, your lights. All that stuff is controlled from here. This boat does have a tremendous sounding clip stereo, as well as a neat lighting package. You can do any color you want. It's a great boat to entertain, great day boat. If you want to bring out all the friends on the water and just have a great time, this is the perfect boat for it. You do have a nice head. There's plenty of room in there. If you wanted to put things out of the sun or dry storage, it's a great place for that as well. Continuing to move forward. The thing you notice about the Aviaras is they have a deep bow. So if you're up here while you're underway riding, you got plenty of room, plenty of depth, you got the handles. It's a very safe boat. Stereo system continues up here. You have controls up here as well as in the back. This boat does also have a windlass. You have your controls up here, as well as a washdown. Very nicely optioned boat. Very great boat for a day out on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, that's 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of my teammates will be happy to help you. Thank you for stopping by looking at this boat, and look forward to seeing you on the water.